Hey, what's going on, people? It's your good Crypto Gems. Today we'll talk about Metaverse and take a look at three really cool crypto projects that are in the Metaverse that can make you a lot of money. Please check out the links in the description box. However, this is not a financial advice and this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So, let's get started. Facebook, which is owned by Mark Zuckerberg, has rebranded itself to Meta, and this is to show people that they are not just a social media company, but also they are building a metaverse business. So, what exactly is Metaverse? Metaverse is a virtual reality space where people can interact with a computer-generated environment or one another. We have seen these concepts in famous movies like Avengers or Snow Crash or Ready Player One, right? And not just Facebook, there are other tech giants like Microsoft, Nvidia that are diving into the metaverse. And as long as these big companies keep exploring the metaverse space, metaverse crypto projects are also going to explode. So now let's talk about a few such crypto projects. First up, we got MetaCity by Enjin, ticker is ENJ, and it is a metaverse inspired by the game Minecraft, and it's the world's first free-to-earn NFT real estate. This is their official website, and MetaCity has only 70 NFT plots available where owners can develop different kinds of businesses. MetaCity is really cool because of its free NFT drops, which you can earn, resell, or keep forever. This is their Twitter, and like I said, the new MetaCity Minecraft server from My Metaverse is live. Join the world's first free-to-earn NFT real estate experience where you can play to earn and use your winnings to buy tokenized lands that's yours to keep forever. So let's look at their charts now. It recently went up to its all-time highs and pulled back to the 20-day SMAs. Now, if it breaks above its all-time highs, I think it has got a really great potential. Next, we have Sandbox. The ticker is SAND, and the Sandbox is a virtual world where players can build, own, and monetize their gaming experiences and assets inside an immense virtual world. So, their goal is to disrupt existing game makers like Minecraft and Roblox by providing creators with ownership of NFTs and rewarding them for their participation in their ecosystem. They create game inside their metaverse, which is a great advantage. And here's their Twitter account. So they've got decent followers. You can check them out. And let's move on to their chart. So recently, this Sandbox exploded and has pulled back a little bit, and it was around 20-day SMA and has started moving back up again. And since we saw the project is really cool, I think it has got a great future. Next, we have Decentraland. Decentraland is an Ethereum-powered virtual reality platform. This is their official website, and their ticker is MANA. In this virtual world, you can purchase plots of land that you can later traverse, build upon, and monetize. There's no limit to what you can do on Decentraland, and this is the first digital platform that is completely owned by its users. Now, let's move on to their Twitter account. So this is their Twitter account, and as you can see, they have a very decent following. I've checked their account in the past, and they post content regularly, so you can check them out too if you're interested. Now, let's move on to the chart of Decentraland. So before looking at the chart of MANA, I want to tell you that all these coins that we talked about, you can buy them on Binance. And if you don't already have an account there, please check out the links in the description box. So as you can see, the price exploded because of the news around the metaverse, and after that, it pulled back to the 20-day SMA and has started moving back up again. And for this project, I think it has got a long way to go. So that is it for now. Today we learned about Metaverse and some crypto projects that are based on Metaverse. Please check out the links in the description box for more information. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like. Make sure to add any comments with the questions down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more content like this that will help you in your cryptocurrency journey. Thank you for being here. Take care.